Hey friends, this is Sejal and welcome to my channel. Who doesn't love bubbly and juice together in a glass? You got it right. Talking about mimosas. Serving mimosas is one of my favorites, but setting up a mimosa bar takes it to an entirely new level. Let's learn how to set up a DIY mimosa bar for your next brunch, bridal or baby shower, festive celebration or get together. So let's begin. Three essentials are needed for this: bubbly, both options, alcohol and no alcohol, fruit juices, store bought or homemade, and fresh fruits. Others are supplies which you will need to serve: some clear glass bottles or pitchers to store juices, 2 plates and 2 big bowls or ice buckets, champagne glasses, small bowls for fruits, tongs or serving spoons. I kept silver and pink floral theme. You can choose tropical or any other theme as per your wish. Then found these free printables online and printed them. To make a bar sign, I used this silver frame and put the print in the frame. In the image, it was showing steps, but somehow it did not print the steps and did not notice them that time. Silly me. And when guests arrived, they were a little bit confused. So quickly printed these 3 little steps and cut it and just put it on the frame. If you don't have printer handy, you can make handwritten bar sign and use labels too. Then cut these juice labels and sticked 4 pieces of double-sided tape at 4 corners and sticked it to the bottle. Now comes the decoration part. To set up the ambience, used this pink flower peak, this pink tulips, this nice thought sign, empty box to just give some dimension to bar setup, this pink floral cloth to cover it, and this pink beautiful cherry blossom tree. I made this tree and it was very easy. Got this brown spray paint and spray painted it and plucked all the flowers from these 2 peaks and attached them to branches. And here we are with our own cherry blossom tree. Now to set up a bar, decide the place and put a wine cart or small table where you want to set up your bar, so it is accessible to all. I started with covering a box with cloth and put that pink cherry blossom tree to give a bar some spring feeling. Then kept 2 bowls each on side for champagne and sparkling ciders, and to keep them chill, filled them with ice cubes, and 2 big plates to put chilled fruit juices and fresh fruits. I kept juices and bubbly in refrigerator until ready to serve. For fruits, I kept berries, pineapple pieces, lime and orange slices in small clear bowls. Keep tongs or spoons to grab fruits. And I put this tulip on each side beside the plates and kept some flowers in plates and placed glasses on both sides, and then at the end this beautiful nice thought sign: do what makes you happy. Isn't it true? We all should do that, right? Now comes how to make your favorite drink. To make mimosas, combine 1 part juice and 2 parts champagne to a glass and then add fruits. And for garnish part, you can be creative. For example, rim glasses with colored sugar or put orange or strawberry slice on a glass. So that's it. Simple yet impressive. It's fun to plan, easy to do, and your guest will surely love it. If you like this video, please subscribe. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye and take care.